Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the full 4TB hard drive on Windows 10. A common issue many users face is that when they connect a 4TB hard drive, Windows only recognizes about 2 TB of space. The reason is the partition style. If your disk is using MBR, master boot record, it can only support up to 2 TB. To unlock the full 4 TB capacity, you need to use GPT, GUID partition table, which supports much larger drives. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through checking your disk format, converting MBR to GPT safely. Let's get started. Way 1. To convert MBR to GPT in disk management with data loss. Step 1. Right-click this PC and select Manage and then Disk Management. Step 2. Right-click the 4TB hard drive and select Convert to GPT. If it is grayed out, you need to delete all volumes first. Way 2. Convert 4TB hard drive to GPT without data loss. Step 1.to convert 4TB hard drive, install and run AOMI Partition Assistant your Windows. Right-click the mass storage device at main interface and select Convert to GPT. Step 2. It will pop out a confirmation dialog. Click OK to confirm. Step 3. Preview the result, click Apply to start converting. Step 4. After converting, you can create new partition on that disk or add unallocated space to the existing partition by using the same software. Now you know how to use the full 4TB hard drive on Windows 10. By converting the partition style correctly, you can overcome the 2 TB limit and take full advantage of your storage. Thank you for watching here. See you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send us an email.